Hello and welcome to Automotive. In this video I will be replacing the turbo actuator on my 2008 F250 Super Duty. I had a low boost condition one day along with a check engine light, so I looked it up and I got these codes. So I went and checked the turbo actuator. I just wanted to check and see how it works. When the key is cycled to the on position, the actuator is supposed to do a self-test and move this little arm back and forth. Do it again. But let's change that. First, I removed the actuator arm from the turbo vane control. There are two different versions of this actuator. One version uses a pressed-in connection. My version used a 10mm bolt. Check which one you have before you order the part. Once I disconnected the arm, I removed the 3 bolts holding the actuator down. Then you can remove the 3 bolts holding the cooler to the back of the actuator. Make sure you don't lose this little gasket underneath. You can take it out, but don't forget to put it back in later. Once the cooler is separated, you can disconnect the electrical connector on the side, and then you can remove the whole actuator. And then installation is just reverse of removal. This is how the actuator is supposed to look and sound when the key is cycled.
Yeah, it does.
And here's how the truck drives with the new actuator. 20 psi boost at a little over 2200 RPM. As always, thanks for watching, and I really appreciate your support for this channel.